So it's day 20, I'm starting it out, going to the gym. It's day 2 technically of my fitness competition with Rocky. Last night he definitely was in the lead. Currently he's at 441 points and I'm at 316. So I'm hoping going to the gym right now will help me catch up and start week 4 off really good. All right, so let's get this. So week 4 started out great because I got to spend time in the gym on Saturday. I had a really good shoulder workout and tricep workout, and I walked away feeling really, really good. I made a lot of progress on my arms, and I felt really strong afterwards, which is something I haven't felt in a long time. One thing's for sure. I think I'm making some progress here, guys. That looks pretty good. Yeah, I think I'm making some progress. That ain't perfect, but it's progress.
Struggle with another inner voice that is trying to get us to go in a different direction.
I even spent Sunday evening playing games with friends and family. All right, Monday morning, and I'm heading to work. So I slept 5.5 hours going into Monday morning, but I weighed 187.6 pounds, which is 4 pounds total loss. I actually ended up tightening my belt, which felt really nice. And then because I didn't go to the gym in the morning, Rocky was crushing me in our competition. And because I slept in, I definitely was tired and needed some more coffee. Right after work, I headed to the police department. I spent the evening patrolling and serving the community, which turned out to be really good. And I tell you what, this night ended up being a lot longer of a night than I expected. It's all part of the job though. So I ended up with Tuesday off. I spent the morning in the gym using the Work Outdoors app. I slept 7 hours, which felt really amazing, and I weighed in at 185.2 pounds, which is a total of 6.4 pounds total loss. And honestly, it made me feel really good. All the exercises I've been doing, the time in the gym I've spent, the amount of water I've been drinking, the food tracking, and everything is paying off. All of the motivation I've received from you guys has played a huge role in me, and it's just great to see progress. My workout Tuesday turned out to be a really good one. I spent 50 minutes in the gym, burned 327 calories, which was amazing. And then when I went home, these giant snowflakes started to come down, and it was so beautiful. I took a nice slow motion recording so you could just see how amazing these snowflakes really are.
Ezra, look! It's ice.
So crazy.
Daddy!
Isn't that right, Samson?
Whoa! Do not! Don't you dare, Samson. Aren't your socks wet? Yes. It's starting to turn into ice.
On Wednesday, I started to feel like I looked different, which felt really good, and then I headed to church right after that. Today I weighed 184.8 pounds. Oh man, that's exciting. That's exciting. Once again, my pants were starting to feel loose again and I had to tighten my belt. But I just started feeling really, really good about the way I looked, and also my weight trend notification popped up. But as you can see here, Rocky was still crushing me in our competition. So on Thursday night, I ended up going to the gym and lifting weights to try to do as much as I could to earn some points and bridge that gap between his 3,000 plus and my 1,900 points that I had. But by the end of the day, there was no way I was going to ever catch up to him, and he ended up beating me anyway. Good job, Rocky. To close out my Friday, I ended up going and testing some food for our annual party at work, which was awesome because the food selection was amazing. I would say week 4 went really well, and the progress I made was phenomenal. I cannot wait to see how week 5 goes. Thank you so much for watching my video, and as always, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel for more videos. I look forward to seeing you guys next week for week 5.